Soket's goal is to help local businesses manage all that online stuff. And that includes Facebook and Twitter. It includes monitoring what people are saying about you on blogs, news, and videos, and managing events, pushing those events to Facebook, updating your own website, all that stuff. But how simple is it to set up a brand new voice? Well, this is what this video is going to show you. So to start, we go up to the Add button on the left navigation where I manage all my voices. I'm going to add a voice. And I'm going to pretend that Soket is a restaurant. So I'm going to name it Soket Restaurant. I'm going to make sure the time zone is Eastern Time, and I'm going to put it in my category, in my group, restaurants. So I add it. That will open up that new voice. And it takes me to the Manage Profile screen. So first thing I want to do is connect to my Facebook account. And these are all the Facebook pages I've access to. So I'm going to select Soket, connect to that. I'm going to connect to my Twitter account. Enter in my credentials. And what it's doing now is connecting to Twitter. I've already connected to Facebook, and we are about to be all set as soon as Twitter kicks back over control to the application. So we're connected to Facebook and Twitter now. I can come in here, I can add an image for my profile on Soket. I can also come in here and edit some of this information. So I'm going to put in the business address, phone number, contact email, save all that information, and we have pretty much configured all the network connections for Soket. So the first thing I want to look at is what we call streams, and this is social listening. There are a number of words out there that are used to describe what streams is all about. But streams is basically information that's online that's relevant to your business. So what it's doing now is based on my Facebook and Twitter account, it's pulling down that information so that I can monitor and engage with users all through Soket. So here's information coming in from our Twitter account and Facebook account. You can see we have Facebook side by side with Twitter. I can view user profiles who have mentioned me, and I can also come in and decide to reply to people. Thanks. But I can also create a brand new post. So if I want to create a new post, this is going to go out to our Facebook account and our Twitter account, and I'm going to let people know what I'm up to, which is I am creating a demo video. Actually, let's change that. Working on a demo video. And this has everything you would expect because one of the channels is Facebook. I can come in here and throw in a URL. And because it's Facebook, it'll give me a URL preview, and I can cycle through the images that I might want to show. I can, of course, schedule this to go out whenever I might want it to go out. Let's say I wanted it to go out tomorrow morning. And because you don't want to send out the exact same information to Facebook that you do to Twitter, I can choose to split the Twitter post and then come down here and maybe throw in some hashtags or schedule that to go out at a different time. And when I post all, it goes into it creates a scheduled post that will go out tomorrow at 10 a.m. Eastern Time, because that's what I set my voice up to be. But I want to know more information than just what's happening on Facebook and Twitter. There are topics that this business might want to know about, because we're saying that in this case Soket is going to pretend to be a restaurant. We might want to add a new stream where we search for all things. We're going to say it's a sushi restaurant. So I want to know anytime sushi, sushi. I want to search Twitter, blogs, news, and videos for every time that anyone says sushi and ATL. So let's see what happens. So here are the results. Here are a bunch of people talking about sushi and ATL. And if I was actually a sushi restaurant, I could come in here and I might choose, these are people that are talking about the topic that my business is all about. So I might choose to follow them, look at their most recent posts or most recent mentions. I can also see news articles. So here's mentioning sushi and the Atlanta Falcons. So I might want to click on this link, and if it was something relevant to what I thought my audience might be interested in, I could copy it and then come back here and share it with my audience as a post. And if I wanted to filter this information, let's say that I just wanted to see Twitter results, then I could do that. So that's streams, and that you're pretty much at this point set up and ready to go. But let's go one level deeper, a little bit advanced training. Let's say that you want to create an event for this restaurant. So you can come into your event calendar, and I'm going to decide to make an event. Today is the 20th, so I'm going to create an event for tomorrow that is post demo video. I'm going to have this posting at 8 p.m. and it's going to go to 11 p.m. It is I'm going to say it's a professional event. It's a presentation. So our new video coming soon. So if you're a restaurant, this might be a happy hour, or it might be trivia night. You can come in here and create that event, and this works like Outlook. You can on the previous screen, you can drag and drop things, but you can also make them recurring events, daily, weekly, monthly, whatever those rules are. And let's go ahead and add an image to my event. I'll put my Soket smiley there. And save it. So now I've created that event, but where does it go? Well, if you've integrated a Soket plugin to your website, then that would automatically update your website. That's for a demo video at a future time. But let's say that we want to post it to Facebook. Well, we connected to Facebook already. So all you'd have to do is come in here and say, I want to publish this to Facebook. You would hit save. And now it's on Facebook. So to show you that, we come in here. This is the current list of events for Soket. But if I hit refresh, there's my post demo video. And of course, that would go out to, that benefits from being a native Facebook event. It goes into your audience's, everyone who likes you stream as well, based on page rank. So that is getting started with Soket. There's a lot more power of what you can do with Soket, but those will have to be in future videos. So I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope that helps get you up and running. Thanks a lot.